Right now, there are around 50 to 70 different kinds of cat litters online, not including the ones which you can see on YouTube, wholesale selling cat litters, and people buy from there. In this video, I'm going to be talking about the best 10 most affordable cat litters in 2025, tested by my cat and also some other cats as well. In this video, I'll be talking about which ones you should be using and why you should be using them and how you can purchase them properly. Watch till the end to find out which one my cat prefers the most and where I get it from. First one that I will suggest is called Pet Pattern. Now, if you're online a lot, especially on Amazon, you will see that Pet Pattern has more than 3,000 reviews. Now, is it good? I will not say that it's bad. My cat has used it once before and it's a semi-decent cat litter. ठीक है? हर समय clump अच्छे से नहीं करता है. Odor control है इसमें. So my cat has used this once. I have a friend who has like 2 cats and she's been using this for a long time, continuously, each month. So, you can get it. It has semi-decent reviews and it is affordable as well. I will give you a warning. For Pet Pattern, there are a lot of sellers and not all sellers or सब sellers original नहीं है. So I'll be linking one link in the description. Please go to that description link and purchase it. Be careful what and where you purchase from, because many sellers don't sell the original products. Second one that I will suggest is called Foodies Puppies. अगर आप Amazon में बहुत चर्चा करते हैं तो आपने देखा होगा Foodies Puppies has a lot of products, variety of products. They also have cat litter and I've seen that it is pretty affordable. This one also has odor control. This one is also not returnable as usual and it comes in 5, 15, 10 and 20 kg packs. Now let me be very clear. These products are cheap. So आप जितना पैसा दे रहे हो, you are going to get the product quality according to what you are paying. So please आप expect मत कीजिएगा कि the product quality is going to be very high. It's not going to be very high. Okay, so I want everybody to know this. Third one is Amazon Basics. Now I think Amazon launched it in the last 2 years only. It's not that new. I mean, it's not that old also. Many people have used it because Amazon Basics products are known to be better and cheaper than the other products in the market. Honestly, what I've seen is it's like basic. It is very basic. It is not bad. I'm not saying it's bad. It is pretty basic. You get what you pay for. It has 3 scents, lemon, soap and lavender. And it also comes in 5 kg, 10 kg, 15 and 20 kg. It's also non-returnable. Have to remember that the odor control, even if these products are scented, the odor control will be around 3 out of 5. In some cases, it might be almost equal to a non-scented one, but the prices are almost the same for the unscented and the scented one. So you better get the scented one only, doesn't really matter. Fourth one that I've seen, especially on Amazon, is called Hipko, HIPKOO. Okay, I think ये launch हुआ था around 1 year पहले. I guess that is the reason it is so cheap. But I would like to inform everybody, it is new. It is non-returnable as well. It is non-scented. But the prices are extremely affordable. And surprisingly, it has decent reviews for a newly launched product. But this is a warning. I have noticed that the grains for this litter, ये जो दाने होते हैं ना litter के, for this product, it is not consistent, number one. Second, it is very fine. So when you have like inconsistent litter quality, and also when sometimes the grains become very fine, like small, छोटे, there is more dust. So when you have more dust, the clumping goes down. And second is it'll like आपके litter box के नीचे लग जाएंगे. So when your cat is peeing, then the litter is going to get stuck on the litter box. So it's a nightmare to clean. You do not want. So will I suggest you to get this product? I personally will not use, but since it is very cheap, I do recommend it to people who are like, students or want a very affordable option, because the reviews are really great. The reviews are not bad at all. So go for it. Number 5 is Pet Crux. Personally, I have used this brand a lot. In the years 2021 and 2022, we were ordering Pet Crux every month online, Amazon se hi. So my relationship with this brand is not that bad. It's a very budget-friendly brand with a semi-decent clump. ठीक है, clump खराब नहीं है, अच्छा है. Price सस्ता है, so you get decent clump according to the price. But I have to say, in all the packs there was a lot of dust. Price is cheap, so we found it good. My dad hated it. My dad hated it. I found it good. My dad hated it. It was a nightmare to clean when I was off to college. So if you are okay with dealing with that, go ahead, because I personally liked it. Okay, it's not bad. It's a good budget-friendly cat litter. Again, for pet products, there are multiple sellers. Be careful. For pet products, there are multiple sellers. Please be careful while ordering. I will link my link in the description, so please go ahead. If you are purchasing it, go ahead with that link itself, because that's the original one. Number 6 is Drools. Now this was the first cat litter that I had ever used for my cat when I had gotten him in 2021. I got it from online एकदम पहले, but online में बंद हो गया, तो फिर I got it from offline. Now I have a lot of opinion on Drools. It's not bad. It is kind of budget friendly, because I think 5 kg के लिए 400 के ऊपर आता है. It's around 450 to 500 depending on where you purchase it from. 450 to 500 के बीच में आता है. Now it is also non-returnable, but it has odor control. Now will I say the odor control is great? No. I will rate it around 2.5 out of 5. So when you open the Drools pack, आपको लैवेंडर वाली स्मेल तो आ जाएगी. जब आपका बच्चा कैट लिटर बॉक्स में पेशाब करेगा या कुछ भी करेगा, थोड़ा सा आता है, बट इट्स नॉट ग्रेट. बट फॉर द प्राइस इट्स नॉट बैड. ओके, फॉर डस्ट कंट्रोल आई वुड से देयर वाज अ लॉट ऑफ डस्ट. बहुत डस्ट थे पैक के अंदर, एंड इट वाज अनोइंग. लाइक आई हेटेड इट because of the dust. But you know, many people prefer Drools because it's a very old brand. So if you are comfortable with that, then go ahead. It's not a bad cat litter. Now we are going to come to a brand which everybody knows, called Pure Pet. Everybody knows that brand because of how cheap the products are. Now Pure Pet cat litter, Amazon में you will see that it comes in combos with the food you get. फूड के साथ आपको कैट लिटर मिल रहा है. Don't get it from Amazon, because Amazon, honestly, there are no reviews. Almost nobody has purchased it from Amazon. If you are going to get it, get it from Flipkart, because the Flipkart sales are really high for Pure Pet, and the reviews is pretty decent. Number 8 is a brand which is called Catsun. Now Catsun could be said that थोड़ा premium है from the budget ones. We have used it once or twice back in 2023, and it's not bad. अगर आप Amazon में देख रहे हो और Flipkart में देख रहे हो, you will see that it comes in liters. Now liters को kg के साथ please don't confuse, because 10 liters and 5 liters के पैक में आता है. 10 liters is around 9 to 9.4 kgs, and 5 liters is around 4.5 kgs. Alright, it is a little bit more expensive, but it's not bad. So if you have the budget for it, go for it. Catsun, we never got it online. Online से कभी नहीं खरीदा. We only purchased it from offline actual pet shop. Number 9 is a very new brand called Petoska. It is extremely affordable. It has great reviews on Amazon. I am shocked because of how good the reviews are. I think it's around 4.1 stars out of 5 stars, and it's a new brand, and it is very affordable. It's like 300 rupees approx for 5 kgs. So if you want, you can check please check the reviews on new products and only then purchase. It's also non-returnable, so please remember that before you make the purchase. Number 10, which my cat personally is using right now, is called Bear Hugs. I have a lot to tell you about Bear Hugs, and this is not sponsored. Okay, it's not sponsored. Obviously this is not sponsored because I don't have any subscribers or views on my videos, but still prices are really cheap. So for 10 kg it's around 519 rupees, and for 5 kgs is around 299. So we always purchase the 10 kg one every month. Even in the entire month, 10 kg litter is too much for one cat. Okay, so sometimes we'll only use 1.5 cat litter sacks, and it'll carry forward to the next month. So एक महीने में भी पूरा खर्चा नहीं होता है, litter save हो जाता है. Why this Bear Hugs is amazing is because it is affordable, first of all. Second, clumping is good. There's no problem with the clumping. Third is there is absolutely zero dust. कोई भी डस्ट नहीं है. लाइक पैक के नीचे भी ऑलमोस्ट नो डस्ट इज देयर. आई थिंक वी हैव यूज्ड इट फॉर 3 months. 3 महीने हमने यूज किया है. एक भी महीने में एक भी पैकेट में हमने डस्ट नहीं देखा. सो दैट इज अ बिग थम्स अप. इट इज इजी टू क्लीन, बट the only thing with this is it is unscented, so there is no odor control. So if there is a lot of odor in your cat's pee and poop, you will find it hard to clean, to be honest. But if you're okay with that, then I would really suggest you to go for it. Now, where can you find this? You can't find this on Amazon, you can't find this on Flipkart. We purchase it from Blinkit or Instamart. Okay, so अगर आप Blinkit use करते हो या Instamart use करते हो या Big Basket use करते हो, you can find it. I personally purchase it from Blinkit every month. There have been no issues with it. And the best part is you can return it. Blinkit has that return and refund option. So you can use that option. That's the only thing that is great if you purchase your cat litter from these Instamart type apps, is that you can return it. So out of all the 10 cat litters, मैं कौन सा ज़्यादा suggest करूँगी? The first 5 will be Bear Hugs, Pet Pattern, Pet Crux, Drools and Cat Sun, and the rest on the second day. Because why? I have used them more and I have used these less, and some 2 of them I have not used only. So you know, I just saw them on Amazon. मैंने research किया, good reviews, तो मैंने आपको option के लिए दे दिया. Last but not the least, be careful what kind of cat litter you are using for your cats. बिकॉज हाँ, एवरीबडी इज लुकिंग फॉर अ वेरी चीप ऑप्शन. ठीक है, सब लोग ये चीप ऑप्शन ही ढूंढ रहे हैं इस इकोनॉमी में. लेकिन योर कैट इज सेंसिटिव. आपका कैट सेंसिटिव हो सकता है कुछ कैट लिटर्स पे से. ओके, द स्किन माइट बी इरिटेटेड, दे माइट हैव स्किन इश्यूज. ओके, सो बी केयरफुल, डू योर रिसर्च एंड ओनली देन परचेज द कैट लिटर. ऑलराइट, दैट्स इट. बाय.